Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send voice messages on Discord PC. Let's begin. Now, sending voice messages on Discord via PC offers several benefits over typing text messages. Because for one, it allows you to convey tone, emotion, and context more effectively than text. This can be especially useful for discussing complex topics or expressing sentiments that may be lost in text. Recording a voice message can be quicker than typing out a long message, particularly when you want to provide a detailed response. But how do we do it? Say for example here. Okay, so I'm gonna send my friend here a message and now I'm gonna include the voice over it, okay? I'm gonna click on it. As you can see, if I click on the plus icon, I can't have an option to add a voice message. Well, I can record something and then attach it here, but that's going to be an ordeal, right? So all we have to do for us to be able to send some voice messages on Discord is we need to go here in the platform called Vencord, right? Because from here, okay, it's super easy to install and it's a plugin that could enable us to send voice messages on our Discord. All you have to do is download, and from here you can download the .exe, alright, or the client. But for now, just click on this first option. Now once Vencord is installed, all you have to do is hover down at the very bottom where it says you should be able to see Vencord. Okay, there you go. So now when Vencord is installed, basically you can have the access to send voice messages. All you have to do is click on the plugin section. All right, and then from here, as you can see, now hover to the search bar and type in voice. You should be able to see and hit enter. Should be able to see something like voice messages. Now it will allow you to send voice messages like on mobile. To do so, right click on the upload button and click, right? But of course you have to slide that into the check button. There's a cog icon settings on the other side, and from here you have the option to noise suppress, echo cancellation, and a lot more, right? Because if it's not ticked, make sure it's ticked so that it'll have these features for you. Save and close, and from here let's try to send a voice message. All right, now all I have to do is click on this person right here, and I'm gonna so I'm gonna click on the plus button. As you can see, you can send a voice message. All right, now when you click on it, you have the option to start recording and upload the file. Basically earlier, if you don't have the Vencord with you, you can just upload a file with your audio message, but that's gonna be an ordeal in it. It'll take a lot of time. All right, but if you start recording, let me do that now. Okay, hi Andy, this is Guide, and this is just for training purposes. I'm gonna send the whole audio message right here and stop recording. Of course, we're going to play it. Now, once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on send. Just wait for it a little bit because the message has been sending. Of course, we have to do some all right, so the message has been sent through and you can play it if you wanted. Okay, I believe that's that. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.